I want you to pick one card.
You want me to pick a card?
Yeah, any one card. Okay. Show to everyone, don't show to me.
Show us.
I'm not looking. I place it back somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. Anywhere. Yep. The card is gone somewhere in the middle. No matter where the card is. To find your card, the idea is very simple. Just one snap. Your card is jump on top.
That's 99.
Okay, I know that. Now this time I want to sign it. So you cannot say the 9 of diamond or 10 of heart.
On this side?
Yeah, on the face of the card. So this is the only one cards in the world. There is no any duplicate because you sign it over here, right?
Yep.
The 9 of diamond, watch very clearly. The 9 of diamond, once I place it somewhere in the middle, it's not possible to come to the top, not in the bottom. To find your card, the idea is very simple. Yeah, snap my finger, and the 9 of hearts is in the top.
What's that?
Once again, see the 9 of hearts. I place it somewhere in the middle. Snap my finger. Your card is in the top.
Oh, well.
Each and every time, let's come to the top. Once again, show you, right? So here we go. This time I will do very slowly. The 9 of hearts. Watch. Place it here. Now you can watch very clearly because I'm going to do slow motion. There's the card in the middle. Now watch. Yes, it's in the top.
What? Come here. This is
Make it appear again. Show us the card
No, in the card. Yes, see, in the card.
Yes.
Right? So I want you to pick a half deck. Pick up a half deck. Yes. And as you place it here, make sure your card is not in the top, not in the bottom. But he said, card from the box, inside the box. That is your card. Okay, this is for you.
Oh my
This
God.
card, keep your eyes on the card because any time I can switch it. Magicians sometimes they switch the card from the bottom, put it right. So I cannot switch. Make sure I cannot switch. The 9 of hearts. Yeah, once again I will show you the 9 of hearts. Yeah, sign it. I push the card. I want you to place this card in this file. So keep your eyes over here. No, just push it in. Just push it in.
what the?
Hope you're taping this, Caden.
Okay. By the way, during my performance, did you see that I slip in my hand in my pocket by any time? No, I didn't know, right? In my left jacket pocket, I have one surprise for you. That one is. Let me show you that. Let me take out the wallet. So nothing's in my hand. Watch. I'm opening this. Inside this chamber, there is one card. It's a folded, right?
Grandpa, are you in on the trick?
And that one is 9 of diamond.
Oh my